today we are unboxing some packages from Lumecube. We got sent a bunch of stuff to review. I will unbox these packages so we know what's in there and then decide how and when and why I will review it. Why is pretty simple answer, because Lumecube has been around. If you follow filmmaking stuff, they had those little cubes that everyone is using now for tattoo photography with filters and whatnot. Okay, so this is the smallest of ring lights. Instruction, the light itself, light, and a bunch of accessories underneath the light. We got the stuff sent, I don't know from what country, but from the country that comes with the power brick like this, with the disc socket. And then we have in here a pretty neat stand. And a tripod, which is pretty hefty. Allen key and some sort of bracket for cable, USB-C to USB-C cable with a 90 degrees angle, and it's braided, which is pretty cool. And whatever that is, what is it? Ah, you can attach it to a table. The bracket to attach it to the table. Pa-pow. And it can be attached to the stand or just on its own. There's a screw to attach it there. So that's in the box of this one. Next box is the most exciting box. It's the Flex Light Pro. I'm most excited about this one because I want to see how it stacks up to ring lights. And I also want to see how they stack up with the generic lights, because these should have really good CRI, color rendering indexes. Will we see a difference in tattooing, content making as well, because we use them for this stuff. Yeah. Case already is pretty neat. In here there's some instructions, a phone holder, I guess, flexible power brick with that stuff, so I think I have adapter, so it's not right away useless. Lights themselves, nice packaging in between. The phone holder goes in there, and then we have some sort of stand, not to break them. Very compact. Look at the packaging. This is this travel type tripod that folds down. Super small, it all folds down in that case. I want to see if this one fits on the stand like that. Obviously it fits on these, but this one is an interesting option to check. This has some weight, so... Oh! Okay, I'm a Lord of the Rings now. If you wonder why I look to the side, then if you could show yourself... Or you can use a mirror. We have colleagues now, so Dan is helping me out on the other side of camera, and maybe we'll see interview with him. Okay, this is kind of like a typical ring light packaging. We have the ring light itself, shows some battery something. It's off, but it shows screen. I'm confused. Phone fitting and an Allen key, a remote control with battery included. Woo! Visit Lumecube.com and Amazon.com. Power brick with this plug. And last thing in there, velcro to the bottom, is a stand. And let's see what type of stand it is. A compact travel looking one, like there. Which is nice, it has some weight to it. Boom. Is it on?
Yep.
Wow, batteries. No cables. Magic. The main question on the review is how good are they? And I think they look pretty good, but we'll see that when I'll use it a bit more. Main question, these ring lights versus generic ring lights, and how this stacks up to ring light. Full video will follow. This was just unboxing and first impressions and me being excited and introducing them to you.